Hello there. Today we will be discussing a business within your location. So many businesses exist within your area, but you have not taken time to look at what can be done and earn extra money. To start this business, you don't even need money. This is why my video on success without struggle is a must-watch. All you need is to build trust within people in your area or beyond. What is this business? One can start only with trust and people around the hood. It's cow meat retailing business. This is where one big cow is shared amongst a number of people equally. The question is, how can one start this cow meat retaining business with no funds? Here is the answer. Within your location, people buy cow meat daily, weekly or monthly, depending on how these homes run their food planning and their income level. Recall that during the Christmas festive period in December, individuals come together in groups to buy and share cows. This is done only for that month. However, this business can run throughout the whole year. Get like 10 to 20 people who are willing to buy from you. I am going to use an instance of 10 people now. If each person makes a contribution of $55,000 for the cow, for 10 people, it sums up to $550,000. Now 9% of this sum will be yours as a service cost. This 9% is 49,500 Naira, which is approximately 50,000 Naira. This leaves you with 500,000 Naira. Now, for a breakdown of the cost. Cost of cow, 455,000 Naira. Cost of delivery, 15,000 Naira. Cost of butchering, 20,000 Naira. Cost of cleaning up, 5,000 Naira. Cost of polythene bags for packing the meat, 5,000 Naira. In a week, you make 50,000 Naira. There are 4 weeks in a month, so in a month you make like 200,000 Naira. So for every new week, you need 10 customers. Note that the customers that bought this week might not buy in the next 1 to 2 months, therefore the need to increase your customer base. Always remember this, that for every satisfied customer, he or she tells 1 to 2 more persons. And for every dissatisfied customer, he tells 10 persons, so integrity must be your watchword. Now, what does it take to start this business? First of all, you need to subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. Back to the requirements, they are a neatly constructed mini abattoir, 10 people with their contribution of 55,000 Naira or 20 people with 27,500 Naira each. Steady supply of water to ensure the abattoir is always clean. Well-fitted pipes to drain dirty water from the abattoir. Cleaners. Weighing scale to ensure that the meat is shared equally. As things improve, you can add a touch of a fizzer to it. You can acquire a delivery bike, this way the meat can be home delivered to the customers. Would people subscribe to this cow meat sharing? Of course they would. Do you know why? It's because they trust that you would not cheat them. That is why being a person of integrity is important. Can people trust you? Secondly, they are aware the meat is shared in a good and hygienic environment. They know they would get more value for their money. My wife always complains of the small quantity of meat she gets from the local market. It's never commensurate with the amount of money she spends. And the meat isn't even measured. You can't tell when you are being cheated. I am sure most of you share this same experience in our Nigerian local markets. Another reason is they are sure to get the different parts of the cow meat. Customers are sure it's fresh meat. Another reason why people are gonna subscribe to this is because nobody is running this plan in your location. So once you start, you're sure to get people placing in their orders. It is advisable to make necessary consultations before starting off any business for proper understanding of the business. Remember, Tutor Money 101 is here to enlighten you with great business ideas. Feel free to ask questions on confusing areas. Goodbye.